Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change DNS server settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change DNS server settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you two methods how to do this. The first method is you just need to press Windows plus R key, then type here ncpa.cpl. Here you need to select your Ethernet. Suppose if this is your Ethernet, right click on that, click on property. Here you will find Internet Protocol version TCP IP4. Double click on that. Select use the following DNS server address, which is 8.8.8.8. And here you can see alternate DNS server. In this you need to type 8.8.4.4. Then click OK and click OK. If this option doesn't work for you, then try the second method. Just click on the search, then type here settings. Click on the settings. Click on the network and internet. Click on the Ethernet. Click on the network and internet. After that, just scroll down. After clicking settings, click on network and internet. In left side, you will find Ethernet. Click on that. Then click on Ethernet. Here you will find IP settings. Click on edit. Select this as manual. You have to enable TCP IP4. Here you will find preferred DNS and alternate DNS. In preferred DNS, you need to type 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS, you need to type 8.8.4.4. Then click on save. Then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way, you can change DNS server settings in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.